Newport Beach is one of those pockets of Staten Island that doesn't get enough credit. It's a quiet coastal neighborhood, salt air, water views nearby. Miller Field is right there. You could see the Freedom Tower, the Verrazano Bridge. The boardwalk is within reach. People who live here don't usually leave, and that says something. 35 Milbank Road has been completely redone. New kitchen, new bathroom, new floors, new doors, new lights, everything. Whoever did this work cared about the details. You feel it the second you walk in. It's clean, it's fresh, and it's move-in ready in a way that most homes at this price point just aren't. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, compact but done right in a neighborhood that's right on the water, with Newport Lane a short drive or walk away and easy access to the rest of the island. This is New York City real estate at $399,000, fully renovated, nothing left to do. Listed at $399,000 by Joseph Ranola, team leader of the Bridge and Boro team at Real Broker.